Welcome to my YouTube channel, Flawless by LauraiOM. So great to see you guys for my second episode of the brush up on this month's February Curation. I'm going to show you my next two favourite brushes, both from Peaches and Cream, which are PC04 and PC09. I deem these makeup brushes to be part of my 9 essential makeup brushes for any makeup kit. So, Peaches and Cream, I'm going to place a link below. They are some of my absolute favourite brushes, and they are available online and delivered to the Isle of Man. They've also got a shop in Liverpool, which I hope to visit one day. A great thing about these makeup brushes from Peaches and Cream is that they are 100% cruelty free. They have a really comfortable to grip wooden handle, a metal ferrule, and the synthetic fibres on the brushes are so close together, making them great for precise, smooth and streak-free application. I really like these makeup brushes, and if you're trying to avoid plastic and too much packaging, the makeup brushes do arrive in a single cellophane wrapper, simply for hygiene purposes. But these are really great makeup brushes and I would really recommend them. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with PC9, the eyebrow groomer, followed by PC4, the large face brush. Enjoy! And here's my first favourite brush, the eyebrow groomer. And it's got two sides. We've got a short angled brush on this side, which is great for two things: applying eyebrow product to the eyebrow, but you could also use it as a way of applying eyeliner as well. And then my favourite also is the spoolie. So I find the spoolie really handy at the clean spoolie is really good at just brushing and encouraging your eyelashes, okay, in the right direction. If you ever get cakey mascara, you can take a clean spoolie and just use it to brush through your eyelashes and remove any clumping of mascara. Also, have you ever, when putting mascara on, accidentally touched your face with the mascara? So annoying, so annoying. But don't worry, if you let that dot wherever you put it on your face by accident to dry, take a spoolie and you can lift the mascara accident off once dried, and it will lift off and leave nothing on your face once you've let it dry. Spoolie is great at doing that. So personally, on a daily basis, I like to use the eyebrow groomer to apply my eyebrow product. My last use of the spoolie is to brush the eyebrow once your eyebrow product is applied. You can brush your hairs into place. So that's PC9, the eyebrow groomer from Peaches and Cream. So I've had a bit of an accident putting mascara on, and you can see, maybe not, but there's the tiniest dot of mascara in the middle of my eyeshadow. It's kind of into the socket. So annoying. So I'm going to take my clean spoolie. I'm not going to worry about it. Take my clean spoolie, and basically it's a bit sharp and it hurts a little bit, but you can take it and rub it, nice quick motion, just to remove that bit of mascara. And as you can see, it's gone, okay, with minimal disruption to the eyeshadow I've applied, thank God. So if you ever get mascara on your face while applying it, do not fret. The spoolie can remove it. Just don't forget to let it dry before using the spoolie. Fantastic. So this is another one of my favourite brushes, PC04. It's the large face brush, and this is an absolute staple and must-have for any makeup bag. The best thing about this brush is it has 3 uses. One, you can actually use it to apply foundation. You can also use it to apply bronzer, so it's a slightly bigger brush than a blusher brush or a cheek definer brush, but I like to use it as an all-over face brush to apply loose face powder. So I've got some translucent finishing powder, and I like to use the large face brush for that reason. So I've put my setting spray on, let it dry, and I'm going to take my large face brush and generously apply as much translucent powder all over it as I can, tap the excess off. Now, some people like to sweep it over the face. I don't like to pick up product and push it around, so I prefer to just dust and push, okay, the translucent powder. After all, I have quite greasy skin, so I find that this works best. I don't tend to apply it where I've put my blusher, so I do the T-zone where I tend to get excess oil, okay, down the nose, okay, just pushing, buffing it in, and across the jawline here as well. If I've put too much blusher or bronzer on, this is great at just applying a little bit on top, okay, just to get rid of any excess, which is great. So that's PC4, the large face brush from Peaches and Cream, to apply setting powder. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this week's episode. I really hope you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything positive to say, any further ideas. Would love to hear from you guys. Give my video a like as well. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Flawless by Laura IOM, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook, all by the same name. Thank you, guys. Till next time. Bye.